Adjust the second joint to the hood upward. Tighten the screw of the second joint for positioning. Take out the screw of the third joint. Pull out the third joint. Align the screw hole on the third joint of the noise reduction arm with the screw hole on the second joint. Then put the third joint of the noise reduction arm into the second joint. Install the screws. Noise reduction arm installation had finished. Adjust the second joint to the hood upward. Fix the noise reduction arm by hand and pull out the suction hood directly. Do not sterilize the suction hood, just wipe to clean the hood. Hold the edge of the suction hood and install the suction hood on the noise reduction arm. Do not press the filter with your hands. The EOS Suction Hood 2 installation had finished. EOS Extra-Oral Suction System 2. Let Denison patients to treat in a safe and quiet environment.